So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on Canva how can you reduce opacity. So I'll just jump right into this video so I don't waste any seconds. I'll just create a design. Let's click the YouTube thumbnail. And then let's say we add an image from elements. I'm going to go to just right here, image. All right. So here we have an image. I'll just grab this image now. So to reduce the opacity on Canva, or to adjust opacity on Canva, what you need to do is to click on this icon here, which is called transparency. Click on that, and now from here, you can go back and forth. You can toggle this, not toggle, but you can just reduce the transparency, increase the transparency on Canva. So that's pretty much what you have to do. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.